He's in rough shape. It was on my way home from work when I first saw the owl. Then went home to get my wife and my kids to give me a hand getting it out. I couldn't just let it hang there. The owl was in pretty rough shape. I really didn't know what to do. I covered it with some towels so that it wouldn't be startled too much, but it looked like it was pretty exhausted and it was just hanging there limp. There were some tall trees directly across the road, and we had seen them in the past sitting in those trees. So I imagine he saw a mouse or something and he flew down, but not seeing the fence wire, he flew right into it. The owl was really docile. It was pretty well damaged on the wing. There was some evidence of injury and a little bit of blood. When we first got the owl out of the fence, we didn't quite know what to do with it. We called the Minnesota DNR, and then we called around at different places. There's a place called Wildwood in Duluth, Minnesota, and they recommended that we bring it in there, and they would have someone drive it down to the University of Minnesota Raptor Center. And at the Raptor Center, that's where they take care of owls and other birds of prey. Occasionally you're going to run into instances where you see an animal that's in need of help like this, and as long as you can safely do so, I really encourage people to take that time to be able to do that. You have to do it safely though, but well worth the investment of time and a little bit of risk.